Thank you for joining Leviton at ISE 2017. This is Greg Rhodes, Director of Marketing for the Leviton Automation products, both home and business automation. We've been in business for 111 years and have been doing automation for well over 30. Very excited to introduce a new cloud-based ecosystem to the European marketplace today with our Lumina Gateway solution. This is a simple black box to install that coordinates all of your wireless as well as hardwired devices inside of a small commercial facility. We've seen a lot of success recently in restaurants, retail storefronts, little mom and pop boutiques, franchisees, as well as enterprise corporations, utilizing this system to really control every single location from an interface like a touchscreen, an iPad, or even on the internet as well. So a nice secure website to do all of the programming as well as all of the control. Very simple for the installer, very simple for the end user as well. As I mentioned, we utilize a lot of wireless devices. So this would be the occupancy sensor that mounts on the ceiling to notify whether there's occupancy or vacancy. There's also the door contact to recognize if someone has come and gone. As well, a corner mount motion detector. Maybe you want to trigger automation with lighting or temperature adjustments as soon as someone enters an area. Or maybe you want to save money by turning those items off when they depart that area, for instance. As well, we can now integrate that with our popular Omnibus lighting control, a beautiful DIN rail style solution complete with keypads, enclosures, and modules. One of the other things we're talking about today is, of course, multiple locations. We can actually see all of these properties directly on Google Maps and see if there's anything that needs to be addressed or holiday schedule all of those properties very immediately without having to set them up individually. All via the website, easily add devices, name them, add them to a room, create your scenes, design schedules, all via the website. Free iOS and Android apps plus cloud-based setup management utility really takes this into the future with the Leviton automation solution, controlling the signage, controlling the heaters, the generators, compressors, and also now doing wireless temperature logging. Very important for restaurants to be able to keep track of temperatures within the refrigerators, the freezers. Typically you'll see a clipboard back there in the kitchen, and someone has to manually take that information and log that temperature and the time. This little box does it for them. It logs it on board. It also logs it to the cloud, so it's duplicative. You have a battery as well, so even if internet and power go down, you're still tracking and logging all of that information. Maybe somebody left the door open, and it's going to trigger that to say, text message the manager to let them know that there is about to be some food spoilage. We can save that inventory and make sure that everyone's healthy and safe. So again, a really nice solution that incorporates shades, lighting control, temperature management, wireless occupancy sensing, and of course, cloud programming and remote access. This is our Lumina Gateway product line, now working in Europe with CE as well. You can learn more, leviton.com/gateway. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day.